The experience was great. Came in, they greet you right when you first walk in, and they sat us down, asked us questions about what we were looking for and what we needed, and just very accommodating once you step foot onto the showroom floor. Hi, my name is David, and I bought a Ford F-150 from Lauren at Lou Fusz. The reason I wanted to purchase a new car, we had our Honda, which was about 14 years old, giving us some issues, and wanted to have something that could haul the kids and other gear for camping and other outdoor activities, and truck seemed to be the most logical choice, and made the dive and bought one here from Lou Fusz. Lou Fusz is a name I was familiar with before even car searching, and it was close to home, and got paired up with Lauren here, and she's been great with our family and any questions that I had, and she did a really great job. I would say Lou Fusz, they've got a great network, easy to navigate website, and a lot of choices online that you can view before actually coming in. The service here was great, and Lauren spent a lot of extra time asking what type of needs we had, and we explored around the parking lot, the different inventory, and test drove a few trucks while I was here, and she went above and beyond.